Welcome back to Musicians Edition Theory. Let's talk tempo. Wait, what's that? Stay tuned and find out. Alright, so tempo is a big thing when it comes to music. Tempo is the Italian word for speed. A lot of our sheet music tells us the tempo. So, when you're looking at your sheet music, the tempo is usually marked here. And sometimes the tempo can change in the middle of the song, so you just have to keep your eyes out for tempo changes. Many times when we're practicing, it's wise to use this thing. This is a metronome, and it helps us keep time. Alright, so Largo means very slow. So when using your metronome, that would be 40 to 60 beats per minute. So here are some songs that are Largo. Great! Next, we have Adagio, and that means slow. The beats per minute used for Adagio is 66 to 67. So though it is slow, it's faster than Largo. Here are some songs that are Adagio. Awesome! Then we have Andante. That's walking pace. But more specifically, it's 73 to 77 beats per minute. Here are some songs that are Andante. Cool! Then we have Moderato, and that's the moderate pace. So that would put us at 86 to 97 beats per minute. Here are some songs that are Moderato. Awesome! Then we have Allegro, which is quick and cheerful. We would use 109 to 132 beats per minute for Allegro. Here are some songs written in Allegro. Great! And then we have Vivace. Vivace is fast and lively. That would be 132 to 140 beats per measure. Here are some songs for Vivace. Great! So from slowest to fastest, it's Largo, Adagio, Andante, Moderato, Allegro, and Vivace. Don't worry, I left a cheat sheet for you in the description on what the tempos are and how many beats per measure they are. So, are there any way music lets us know to gradually get faster or to gradually get slower? Why, yes! So to gradually get slower, you'll usually see the retard or RIT, and that means retardendo. Most of the time when you retardendo, you'll need to watch your conductor on the slowing down and the tempo you'll be playing next. The next tempo is not always marked. And then on the flip side, to gradually get faster, the music is usually marked ACCEL, which is short for accelerando. And it's the same thing. You'll want to watch the conductor to follow the tempo changes. Great job today. I want to send a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button so you don't miss any of our lessons. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.